everyone, welcome back to Garden Wise. I am Shivangi. In today's video, we will learn how to grow bougainvilleas from cutting with full updates. Yes, I will update you from cutting till plant. Also, as this is a monsoon season, so growing plant and propagating new ones are really very easy in this season. So, from today, I am going to start monsoon plant propagating series for you all. In this series, there will be 5 episodes. We will grow 5 different flowering plants that can grow very easily with full updates. If you are new to my channel, please do consider subscribing. I make videos on gardening, DIYs and decor. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Welcome to the first episode of Monsoon Plant Propagating Series. In this episode, we will cover bougainvilleas. In case if you don't know what are bougainvilleas, so here is the intro. Here is a cutting of bougainvillea. You can easily get these cutting from nearby park. Firstly, let me tell you what kind of cutting you have to choose. As bougainvilleas are little woody plant, then you have to choose semi-woody cutting. If you can see, cutting of this thickness is perfect. If you take cuttings of this thickness, it might take some more time. There is a free giveaway running on my channel. Go participate and win free seeds. I will leave the link of that video in description box below and in pinned comments also. video. Hope you liked it. Before leaving, I would like to remind you to like this video and subscribe my channel. Comment down below which flowering plant you want me to grow and share with you all. If you want, you can also follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. See you all in next episode. Until then, happy gardening and happy growing.